Alright, good morning. Getting ready to start another day. Had breakfast done. Still got family in town. And there's Brian over there. And Ethan is still on the computer. So anyway, we're going to go out on the porch now. We'll sit a little while and then we'll get ready for our walk again today. Say hi. Hi, everybody. Hi. Hey, Bryson. There's the kids playing. So we're about to get ready and go walking. All right, we're finally going swimming. You want to go swimming? Uh-huh. You want to go to Mama's and go swimming? Mama loves you. You gonna make a silly face? Silly face. Silly face. Look at Mama. Where's your tongue?
What are you thinking? Where's the popsicles?
Vaughn's gonna love it.
Where is the popsicle?
Vaughn's birthday. Making
Where's the
lemon pie. Vaughn's birthday. We've they're not frozen yet, baby. I just stuck them in there. See? I just put them in there.
Oh. Are they with drink in?
Yeah, they still have drink. They're melted, but we gotta freeze them first, okay?
Okay.
All right.
And they will come off again?
Yeah. All right. So earlier I vlogged that I was going walking, but I don't know what happened to the video. It disappeared and I haven't been able to find it. So tonight we are grilling out. The BIL's birthday. How's that meat coming along? It's looking good. Hey, baby. Say hey.
Hey.
So anyway, that's what we're doing. Just having a good time.
I was gonna give it.
Chilling out.
You can put it inside. I'm doing that.
What you doing, Bryson?
Ah.
Hi. You riding the horsey? Ride the horsey. Ride the horsey. Ride it. Whee, yay! Yay, ride the horsey. I don't even know if I was getting you, actually.
Oh.
There you go, ride a horsey. Yay! Ride a horsey.
This is gonna be ready like really quick.
Oh, it's the end of the day and we are just settling down for the night, man. It's a nice night. The birds are, not the birds, the crickets. That's how tired I am. Birds are pretty quiet. I'm pretty sure they bedded down. We do have a family of birds that live right up there above Brianna's head. And, quite the mess makers, honestly. Yeah, we're just out here listening to the birds chirping, and I did it again. I would delete and start over, but it's too funny. Oh, we'll laugh about this later. Sitting here listening to the crickets chirping because the birds are asleep.